What is a mortgage recast and why would you want to do one? What is a mortgage recast? Well, first off, it's not a refinance, but it is a way to lower your payment without changing the term or the interest rate of your loan. The way this works is you pay a principal payment, usually a minimum of $5,000 with most lenders, and they will recalculate your payment schedule based on the new principal balance. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, with every fixed mortgage, you have a payment schedule from day one until the loan's paid off. So for a 30-year mortgage, you have 360 payments, and how that's split up between principal and interest is decided in the very beginning based on amortization calculations. So if you make additional payments throughout the year or in subsequent years, your payment's not going to change. Your payment will stay the same until the loan's paid off. Now, you could make extra principal payments on your own. You could even do bi-weekly payments or any other variation of additional principal, and that will save you interest over time, but you won't realize the benefit of that until the loan's actually paid off. So whatever calculations you use, a lot of things you find online just aren't accurate, but if you were to knock off 8 years off your mortgage, your payment is still going to be the same for 22 years on a 30-year mortgage until it's paid off in 22 years. Now, what a recast does, it takes that same schedule, that timeline, the same interest rate, and just recalculates your payment with the lower principal. So if you do this every couple of years or so, over time, your payment will get lower and lower. Now, the benefit of this is not to get your payment lower, but really to get more of your payment to be applied towards principal. So if your payment went down $50, $100, but you continued to make that same initial payment as if you didn't do anything with your mortgage, then every time you did a recast and with every subsequent payment, more and more of your payment will be going towards principal. So you will pay off the home significantly quicker than if you were to just make regular principal payments throughout the year. The reason why is because if you don't recast, your payment schedule is going to stay the same, and you will still see a lot of your payment going towards interest for like the first half of the term of your loan, like the first 13 years or so. So with a recast, you're not paying refinance fees, you're not getting a different term, you're not stretching out your mortgage, you're just getting pure benefit of paying less interest on the money that you owe. If you want to do a recast, you can't just make a principal payment and expect it to happen on its own. You're going to have to reach out to your lender, to your loan servicer ahead of time, let them know what you'd like to do and what the requirements are. Often they will charge a small fee of maybe $125, $150, and you let them know how much principal you're paying, and the best way they can set it up properly to make sure that the principal payment gets applied towards the principal and not any other funds due. A lot of times if you just prepay a payment, they could just automatically assign it to the next payment due, not to the principal, unless you specifically tell them. Why would you want to do a recast? Well, it's a way to lower your payment or have more of your money going towards your principal without refinancing. Now, with refinancing, you're going to have some fees associated with it. Even on the low end, you're going to have some kind of fees. It's going to take some time with the lender, and sometimes the interest rate may not be that much lower than what you already have, so the benefits may be minimal. So this way, you get full advantage of what you put in towards the principal. I try to put out videos as often as possible to help you become a successful homeowner. So if you find this material helpful, please like and subscribe, share the video, comment below. Just any type of interaction or feedback is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.